Hey friends, just gonna give you a glimpse of these 928 Fenders. I got two of them here, and these two came from Jeff, also known as Dinsdale Piranha on Renlist. I think I talked about these earlier. I sent them out to get welded, TIG welded, the aluminum, and they had a couple holes in it. There was some cracks here from stress or whatever, and he left some big chunks on here, so I'm going to grind that down a little bit more, quite a bit more actually, to get that clean. But it's nice to have some extra fenders. And this, I think, I don't know, maybe this was Jeff's or maybe this is one of mine. I can't quite remember, but it's windy out, and these are lightweight aluminum fenders. Now, these also, I had the, these came from Jeff. This one came from Jeff. This one, I had them also weld in the holes for the trim on the side. And I remember this one because that's got a big glob of goo on it. Aluminum welding goo. And I'll have to dress that down quite a bit to clean that up. But I put on these little plates, these little patch panels on the inside, and I'll trim those back quite a bit, and then probably put some panel bond around here, around what's left, just to clean them up. And this fender, this white, this is epoxy primer, and this one right here is in direct to metal primer, because it's just what I had available and mixed up for another job. So primer's primer. I try to use the best and put it on the best and on the perfect surface after being blasted. And if you can see, some of this undercoating remains. I'm not going to take it off, especially because it's so well put on from Porsche that there's no need to take that off. You know, it came off around here, which is okay, and that's pretty much consistent with all the Porsche fenders that I blasted, and even some of the Alpha parts. You know, it's on there pretty good. So, folks, take care. Cheers.